Now, let's talk about GitHub Copilot. This section focuses on understanding what GitHub Copilot is and its role as an AI-powered developer assistant. It's an important topic, especially since it makes up 31% of the exam content in Domain 2, so it's definitely something to pay close attention to. GitHub Copilot is designed to help developers by suggesting code snippets and automating repetitive tasks, which can greatly enhance productivity. As part of the GitHub Copilot certification, labeled GH300, gaining a solid grasp of how this tool works will be key to your success. GitHub Copilot is your AI-powered pair programmer that supports you throughout the entire software development lifecycle. It helps you write code faster and with more confidence by understanding the context of your code and natural language comments to generate relevant suggestions, explain complex logic, fix bugs, write tests, and even create documentation right inside your development environment. The impact on developers is significant. Studies show that 83% of developers code faster using Copilot, 74% feel more focused on satisfying work, 88% feel more productive, and an impressive 96% report being faster at handling repetitive tasks. Some of its key capabilities include intelligent code completion and inline suggestions, a conversational AI chat interface called GitHub Copilot Chat, and it's powered by advanced OpenAI codecs and large language models. It integrates seamlessly with popular editors like VS Code, Visual Studio, JetBrains, and Neovim, and even supports a command line interface. Additionally, it offers an agent mode for autonomously completing tasks, generating pull request summaries and code reviews, as well as creating unit tests and documentation to streamline your workflow. Essentially, GitHub Copilot acts as a versatile, smart assistant that enhances every stage of your coding process. Let's walk through how GitHub Copilot works behind the scenes. First, it starts with context gathering. Copilot reads your open files, looks at your cursor position, checks comments, and reviews your recent code history to understand what you're working on. Next, it builds a prompt by combining this contextual information, like the surrounding code, the content of the file, and the programming language in use, into a rich and detailed input. This prompt is then sent to GitHub's secure proxy service. Here, safety filters are applied to ensure any sensitive or potentially harmful content is handled appropriately before proceeding. After that, the prompt is processed by a large language model, specifically OpenAI's Codex or GPT model, which generates the code completion based on the input it received. Before the suggestion reaches you, it goes through a post-processing phase. This stage involves filters for duplication detection, toxicity screening, and matching against public code repositories to maintain quality and safety. Finally, the refined suggestion appears right in your editor as inline ghost text. You can then choose to accept or reject it, allowing you to keep full control of your code. This pipeline ensures that Copilot provides helpful, safe, and contextually relevant code recommendations. Here we take a deep dive into the GitHub Copilot process flow, focusing on the data lifecycle of a code suggestion. It all begins with the input processing stage. Copilot gathers several key pieces of information: the file currently open in your editor, where your cursor is positioned, and the surrounding code context. It also takes into account any code comments or natural language hints you provide, which help guide the suggestions. Additionally, Copilot considers other open tabs or recently accessed files, detects the programming language you're using, and, for Copilot chat users, incorporates chat history. Your specific Copilot configuration settings are also factored in to personalize the experience. Once this input is collected, the suggestions go through multiple filters and safeguards to ensure quality and safety. The toxicity filter removes any potentially harmful or offensive content. The duplication detector flags suggestions that closely match existing public GitHub code, helping to maintain originality. There's also an optional public code filter that suppresses suggestions matching open source code, adding another layer of control. For business or enterprise users, contractual intellectual property indemnity protects your IP. Admins can configure content exclusions to omit certain files or folders from the suggestion process. To further ensure safety, there's a safety classifier that prevents dangerous code patterns from being suggested. Lastly, prompt sanitization removes any personally identifiable information before data is sent, protecting your privacy. Altogether, these steps make Copilot's suggestions both relevant and secure. GitHub Copilot is powered by advanced large language models, including OpenAI Codex and GPT-4 variants. These models have been trained on billions of lines of code from public repositories, documentation, and natural language text, which enables Copilot to assist effectively with code generation. The training data comes from diverse sources such as public GitHub repositories, covering many programming languages, as well as documentation and comments. This wide range of information, including open-source projects from around the world, helps the model understand various coding styles and contexts. There are several model types behind Copilot, starting with the original OpenAI Codex, and more recently, powerful models like GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, Claude Sonnet and Opus models, and Google's Gemini Flash. Each of these contributes to the AI's coding capabilities in different ways. When it comes to how these models learn and generate code, they use different methods. Zero-shot generation means the model can respond without any examples. One-shot uses a single example for guidance, and few-shot relies on multiple examples. The models are also context-aware, meaning they consider the code environment they're working within to produce relevant suggestions. Despite these strengths, there are some important limitations to keep in mind. The model's context window is limited, so it can only consider a certain amount of code at a time. Sometimes, it might suggest outdated coding patterns or approaches. It's also crucial to note that while the model can generate plausible code, it doesn't perform true reasoning, so its confidence in suggestions doesn't always equal correctness. Being aware of these helps us use Copilot more effectively and safely. Now, let's talk about some important limitations of GitHub Copilot and why it's crucial to validate its suggestions. First, Copilot has a limited context window. This means it can only consider a small portion of your code base at a time, so it doesn't have a full understanding of the entire project. Because of this, its suggestions might not always fit perfectly with the bigger picture. Next, Copilot is not always accurate. While the code it generates may be syntactically correct, it can still be logically incorrect. That's why it's essential to carefully review and test any generated code before using it in your project. Another key point is the age of the training data. Copilot's knowledge has a cutoff date, so it might suggest libraries or APIs that are outdated or even deprecated, which can lead to using old patterns that are no longer considered best practice. Additionally, Copilot does not perform true reasoning. Large language models like this generate code by recognizing patterns, but they can't reliably perform complex logical deductions. This means you should be cautious with more intricate or critical code. There's also a disparity in language support. Copilot works best with popular languages like Python and JavaScript, but its performance can vary a lot when dealing with less common or obscure programming languages. Finally, keep in mind that Copilot can have security blind spots. It might inadvertently reproduce insecure coding patterns from its training data, so any code it generates should undergo a thorough security review to ensure it meets your standards. Understanding these limitations helps us use GitHub Copilot more effectively and responsibly, ensuring it enhances our workflow without compromising quality or security.